We started with the ceiling, which is where the problem began. The ceiling was done, then we realized the floor had to be done because it was a real mess from all the falling plaster. We had the walls done. We did the new wainscoting because when we removed the pews, we realized that the damage from probably about 75 to 100 years had taken its toll. So we have new wainscoting, new floor, new ceiling. Everything has been cleaned and dusted professionally, and here we are.
I'm absolutely amazed at the work that was done and how our members were more than willing to work in here. And I was extremely happy when we finally got back in here because we were using an alternate place for our mass. And this is just like, just simply amazing that it got all done like this. People worked very, very hard, many, many hours, many days, and it's just better than we had anticipated.
Amen. We really needed this ramp, and we secured it, and it's really a wonderful job, and they did a great job, and we really appreciate the Carpenters Union for coming out and volunteering their time and their abilities, and they brought all their own tools and everything, and they did the ramp. One day they did the ramp, and it was just such a success, and I'm so proud that we got this ramp and we're able to use it, and the people are now able to get in here with a wheelchair or whatever, and it's just a thing of joy to see.
We actually had 11 union carpenters on a Saturday that volunteered their time to donate all the labor, and it was a wonderful experience to see the way they all worked together. Nobody's ego got in the way because we were out of different local, both Syracuse and Watertown, and everybody, it all came together. They broke the project down into 2 or 3 pieces, set up their own teams, and you know, we kind of supplied food, a little bit of help, and kind of watched. But it was a wonderful thing to witness.
We had the opportunity to prepare places for people with walkers and wheelchairs to come and sit with their families in worship. And we think that's a great hospitality to be able to offer here at St. James.